Okay. I have to stop clapping. What's up everybody, my name is Vivian Says and welcome back to my channel. We're doing another makeup video today. It's something I mentioned in the last makeup video I did. I have these vampire fangs and I don't know if they'll like, oh yeah, there you go. They're from a brand called Scarecrow and I just want to do a makeup look with them. So as always, I'm going to start out with my eyebrows. I actually bought something new. I also have a whole new setup going on right now. The camera's a lot farther away from me than it typically is. So I'm really gonna have to reach to show you guys. It's called Brow Fast Sculpt. It's still by Maybelline. Okay. So our eyebrows are done, and now we're gonna move on to our eyes. I'm gonna start off with eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna link all of the stuff that I use in the description because the camera is so far away. I think it's gonna be a pain to reach out every single time I pick up an item. And also I usually end up forgetting that I'm filming towards the middle / end and I don't show you guys it anyways. You know what? We're just gonna go for it. So I'm going to go ahead and dip straight into, kind of holding, this would be better for me. I'm gonna dip into my reds here, which from my experience had some fallout. So I would be careful. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I don't know. Using black eyeshadow always makes me really nervous. You're supposed to, whoop, girl, so powdery. All done. Wow, God, this is just nuts. I'm just using the Sinopia palette as a mirror. I don't have a handheld mirror. I don't know how important it is to have one, but I can guess that you need to use one a lot. I've been using them more frequently as my bathroom mirror is pretty far away from where I can stand, so I can't see very well. Let's see. We want to come around. I need a small brush. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and dip into spiraling. That's dope. Okay, let's do the other side and then we'll move on. Dang, girl. Okay. We're going to cut our crease now. Alright, now I'm going to use this packing brush. Wow, I just opened my mouth so wide. Ow. And I'm going to use Blue Moon from Sinopia. So I've decided that I look insane. I've decided I'm gonna go with gold instead. I can't really pick it up and show it to you, but I'm not doing that anyway, so it's okay. I'm just gonna do my best because I'm going with gold because it looks like spiraling has a little bit of gold pigment in it, like gold shimmer, and we can play with that. So I'm going to cut this crease a little better here because I messed up. That is just gonna have to be good enough. Hopefully it is. I'm going to try to pack this gold into the center. Whoa. Whoa. All right, I'm going to blend this out a little bit with the Blue Moon and spiraling on top. But it's turning out pretty cool. Pretty excited about this. Now that I look like an insane person, I'm going to get this off my face. And I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I'm like in the shadows and then I come out. Okay, so I have pretty much done all the eyeshadow I think I want to do, and I put on some eyeliner. We're gonna smack on some lashes really quick and then we'll move on to our face. Alright, so these are just nice and dramatic. That's why we're using them. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap some formaldehyde-free glue on here and slap them on my eyes. All right, now we're gonna quickly do our face. Which is exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Tatcha face primer. Oh, it really does make your skin feel silky. It's so nice. Okay, oof. Going in with our Elleevate True Serum Foundation. True Skin Serum Foundation. Okay, and then we're going to go in with our concealer. Okay, well that takes care of that. I kind of don't want to contour because, you know, vampires are pale, but I also don't really care and I'm just gonna go for it. Because why not, you know? So the way I have kind of established that I'm gonna do my makeup is I like to do contour first, and then blush, and then highlighter. I'm not sure the order that you're supposed to do it in. Well, this looks nuts. But I found that if I do contour first, I can blend my blush down into it, and then I don't want to put anything kind of on top of the highlighter, so that's why it goes on top. It's like icing. Goes on top of the cake. Ooh, that looks absolutely insane. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and use blush. I got this super cute hoop. Lime Crime kind of, oh, I think we gotta wipe this off. It's like a cream blush that is this cute mauve color. I'm just gonna kind of pat my brush around in here. I like mauve instead of pink because I feel like it blends with my skin a little bit better. And I just like mauve in general. I think it's a nice color. Mauve was a part of my wedding colors. Gosh, this looks epic. Does it not? Blush. Okay, so I am gonna use highlighter, but I also am going to use my How Many Carats because Vampire Sparkle. We all know this. So I'm going to use this highlighter brush for highlight. Just using Gleam from this wonderful palette. Whoa, okay. All right, I'm going to line my lips with red lime crime lipstick because it's the closest I have, and I definitely, ooh, just kidding. I'm gonna line it with, oh no, yeah, I have to. I could line it with black, I guess. Let's line it with eyeliner. What's the worst that can happen, huh? You guys all probably know what the worst that can happen is, but not me. I forgot to put on the sparkly stuff. I'm obsessed with glitter. So, all right. This is gonna be weird. Okay, I might have made a mistake because now I just look really kind of oily. Whatever. Too late now. Oh my goodness. Whoa. At a certain point, I got a cat hair stuck in my eye, and my allergies hate it. All right, we're gonna use this vampiric color called Wicked from Lime Crime. Super excited about it. Okay, I think that's everything. So, sorry for another quiet video. As you can see, these fangs are a little awkward to talk in. This is my completed look. So, here is our completed look. I actually really like this. It turned out just how I was hoping it would when I figured that I could use the Conspiracy palette in my fangs to make a baby. It was probably one of the better ideas I've had. So I hope you guys liked it. I don't think there's much else to say. Like, This turned out pretty much exactly how I was hoping it would. It's so cute, I love it. It's so hard to talk with these fangs on. They poke my lip. Okay, anyways. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!